Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're going to take a look inside the Fluval 407 canister filter. So this filter's been running since about start of the year, January, February kind of time, so about 3-4 months, and I've never cleaned out the return pump, not once, so it's going to be very interesting to see how dirty it is. It's probably quite dirty. And the sponges or the biological media haven't been cleaned out for about a month, maybe, well, I think around 6 weeks, so it's long overdue. You can see as I take the top half of the canister off, there's loads of brown detritus kicking around on the top lid there. We'll just pull that lid off and then just brush it all off. First thing to do is take a look inside the sponges. There are 4 sponges, there's 2 on one side and then 2 on the other side. As you can see, this is 6 weeks. That's quite mucky. I mean, it's not too bad. All that white on there is sand from when I puffed through the sand about a week ago. But considering this was 6 weeks, those sponges aren't too bad. I could definitely get 2 months out of them. I wouldn't get 2 months out of them if it was a case of nitrates are quite high, like 10 or maybe 15. But they're at 0.2, and they have been 0.2 for quite a while now. And what I've also done is rinse through and heavily clean through all the biological media, because there was quite a bit of gunk in there. That was expected though. It has been quite a while since the filter was cleaned out. But the return pump, alright, this has been, I've never cleaned it out before. This has been running for about 3 or 4 months, about 3 months, and this thing was almost brand new. Like, the return pump looked brand new. It was barely even a slime coat on it. It wasn't dirty at all, and that I'm so surprised from that. I haven't cleaned it out at all, not even touched it. Haven't even had a look. It's been running straight, and it's so surprised that I really thought it'd be really dirty and, you know, really need do a clean, but it wasn't that bad at all. To be honest, I could have left it, but I just gave it a bit of a brush up anyway. But that I could definitely get 6 months out of that return pump, easy. You want to check every 3 months anyway, just in case it does build up a little bit heavy. You don't want that stopping. It's the heart to the system, really. If that stops, then the whole system will crash. So it's very important that continues to be running 24/7. This whole process took about 10 minutes to do, to literally clean out the whole filter, the sponges, the biological and the return pump, and put it all back together and running. It took about 10 minutes, 15 at the most, even to get the water out as well. All I needed was 10 litres of RO water. That's all I needed, just to rinse all the sponges and the biological in. So just a short one for this week. It has been about 6 weeks since last cleaning out this filter, so I thought it would be interesting to take a look inside and film it and upload it to the channel. The skimmer is the next job. I've done the sand, I've done the filter. The next thing is the skimmer to do, because I'm sure the return pump hasn't been done since last year. It was before Christmas last year. I think about November time I last did that when I put in the new scape, so that's definitely due a clean. So I might do that this weekend and get that video up for next week. I'll get it uploaded for around Wednesday, Thursday kind of area, around that time. So thank you all for watching this video, and I'll catch you in a week's time. Bye.